If you're planning a trip and want to book a hotel easily without any confusion, then this guide is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to book a hotel on Agoda in a very simple and beginner friendly way. So even if you're using it for the first time, you can follow along without any problems. First, open the Agoda app or visit their website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up using your email or phone number. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search section. Here, enter your destination city, your check-in date, and your checkout date. After that, select the number of guests and rooms according to your needs. This helps Agoda show you the most relevant hotel options. Now tap on the search button and you'll see a list of hotels available for your selected dates. You can scroll through the list and use filters like price range, star rating, location, and amenities such as free Wi-Fi or breakfast. Using filters makes it much easier to find the perfect hotel within your budget. You can also sort the results by price, popularity, or rating to quickly find the best deals. Once you find a hotel you like, tap on it to open the details page. Here, you'll see photos, reviews, ratings, and full information about the hotel. Always take a moment to read the reviews and check the location to make sure it suits your needs. After that, look at the available room options and choose the one that fits your budget and preferences. Next, tap on Book Now or Reserve. You'll be asked to enter your personal details like your name, email, and phone number. Make sure all the information is correct. Then move to the payment section where you can choose how you want to pay, either pay now, pay later, or sometimes even pay at the hotel depending on availability. After completing the payment or confirming your booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with all your booking details. You can also find your reservation in the My Bookings section of the app anytime. Keep this confirmation safe because you may need to show it during check-in. So in simple words, booking a hotel on Agoda is easy. Enter your details, search for hotels, choose your room, fill in your information, and confirm your booking. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. See you in the next video.